Hi there, I'm Stephanie and I'm a Zenfolio expert. In this guide, we'll discuss viewing and using your account's contact list, which is a great tool for promoting your work and managing your clients. This list is automatically populated by clients you've added to galleries or anyone who provides their information or book services through BookMe. You can also edit existing contacts and manually add your own. To get there, you'll want to click on the CRM icon on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This will load your contacts that are already there. From there, if you click the three vertical dots beside a contact, you can edit them or you can delete. If you choose to edit the contact, it's going to pull up this screen. You can edit the fields such as their address or phone number. You can also click this to add additional info that you wish, such as their social media, their birthday, or you can create your own custom field for information, such as they prefer to be contacted by text instead of a phone call. If you go back out, if you'd like to manually add a contact, you'll click the Add Contact button in the upper right, and this will let you key in their information from there. If you'd like to add an existing contact to a gallery, you'll just navigate to that gallery, click on Settings, make sure you're on the Access tab, and here under Existing Contacts field, just start typing their information and it will pull up. And from there, you can add them as a client or you can add them as a guest. Overall, the contact list is just a great tool for marketing your work, your services, or sharing information about upcoming promotions that you may be offering. I hope this is helpful information, but if you have any questions, as always, just feel free to reach out.